Hi everyone, I'm back. Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Leslie. I do planner related videos and I've been a little MIA, but I'm back. And today I have an unboxing. Alright, so I love reading, and even though I have another beautiful reading journal my sister gave me, I really wanted to get a journal like this one. So I caved and I got it. Let's admire the gorgeous packaging because this came in the box. In this gorgeous box that I don't want to get rid of, to be quite honest with you. I feel like I can do so much with this like paper. So cute. It is from this shop called Lila Journals, and I have gotten something from her before. It was a gorgeous pink cover. I don't have it here with me. Alright, so let's just like open up the little card. So it did come with this. Of course, I already picked through. I mean, it was open. I'm keeping this, by the way. Alright, so we get like a little card. I hope this thing focuses. We get a little die cut. Some stickers. These are freebies, y'all. We got a little card, which I love, and we got, well, I mean me, but I'm just like, don't mind me, y'all. It's been a while. I'm a little rusty. And I also got a little bookmark. How stunning is this? I absolutely love it. I was dying to open this up so I can use it. I do it a lot. Alright, so here is the journal. I love the box. Look at how gorgeous. I love the gold foil. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. I did see it, I picked through, but I haven't really like gotten it out. So all right. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I was a little skeptical getting this journal because I know it was like a really light pink, which I love. But I wasn't sure I was gonna love it, but wow, it's stunning. And I did not know that we're gonna get the edges like in a different, you know, I didn't know it had gilded edges, if that's how you call it. Anyways, love the elastic so it can hold everything together. Oh, so pretty. So she has a little quote here. It says, a tulip doesn't strive to impress, it doesn't struggle to be different. It is different, and that's the beauty of a tulip. That's the beauty of you too. That is so pretty. And I actually love tulips because they remind me of my mom. My mom really loves tulips. So I've always really liked tulips because it reminds me of her. All right. And I love this. Yo, I didn't even like, sometimes I buy things that I think I'm gonna like, but I don't really like look at videos. And other times I'm just like watching all these videos and then I don't know, I don't understand myself sometimes. I did not see a single video on this like in depth. I only saw someone like doing a reading journal, but it has like the little bookmark and it has a bow. Let's see, there it is. It has a tiny little bow. How stunning, y'all. This is so cute. All right, let's like, and it has a pocket in the back, and I like it because whenever I have the little books cut out, I'm just gonna put them back there. So stay tuned because I'm gonna start setting this up. I'm not gonna complicate myself too much, but I definitely want to show you how it looks. I did get it on sale. I don't know if she still has it, but I was very excited to share with you everything. So here it is. I am back, y'all. Expect other planet related content because I'm still working on my planner. I'm still planning and doing all these things. I just haven't shown you. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all really soon for another video. Bye.